So what is this called? A palata? And so this is a pulled dough.
Yes.
And then we put it on here.
Yep.
And you serve it with like a gravy? I see.
The one all the way over there is with a chicken gravy. Yeah.
Okay, cool. I think I'm gonna get one of these. Okay, and then it becomes this.
Yep.
And do you stuff it?
Oh no, the other one is, okay, we have 3 different items over here.
Okay.
The one all the way over there is nothing inside.
Okay.
It goes with a chicken curry.
Okay.
This one has chicken stuff inside.
Okay.
This is a noodles dish.
Okay.
Yeah, we have 3.
I think we'll get one with the chicken curry. Sounds good. Already?
Yeah, I had it last year too.
Oh, was this all here last year? Oh, cool.
I mean, they had some of the vendors changed, but essentially, yeah.
I like it because it's the most visual.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like
It's
you can just see
so
what.
good. Like particularly I like the soup, like the gravy. Dip that in there.
Oh yeah.
Chicken curry?
Yeah.
Which one do you recommend the most?
Keema.
Okay, keen. Well, and then this is like this, but with curry.
This has a chicken inside.
Okay, let's try this one. Thank you, guys. Okay, Keema Palata. We're gonna dive in.
Is that gonna like slide out?
Take a bite.
Wow.
Okay, what are we eating? So it's hand-pulled dough, and then a little yogurt, cucumber sauce. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. What is it? What is it rubbed in?
Lamb chops,
Yeah?
some naan bread, and tandoor chicken.
Wow. So what do you put in the ceviche? It's red onion and some corvina?
Cilantro, yeah.
Okay.
Fish.
And fish and lots of lime juice.
Yes.
And then these.
Tiger's milk.
Okay. Wow. Yum. That looks amazing. Thank you. Looks good. Pupusa.
Pupusa.
Pupusa down. Yes.
Tomato sauce? Yes, please.
So what is this? This is cabbage.
Yeah. Coleslaw?
Is that your mother?
No.
Oh, okay. But she knows how to make good pupusas. She knows how to make good pupusas. Okay. Cool. Thank you. How is it?
Delicious.
What is it?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. So it's like a sweet. Amazing. It's like you put all this in.
Yes.
Oh, so cool. And where's it from?
This is a Chinese.
Chinese from Sichuan?
Yeah.
Wow, maybe we get for dessert. And that's beans? Red beans?
Sashimi, everything right there. You right down.
Oh, okay, cool. Amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Oh, you got ribs, okay. What's the main spice in jerk? It's allspice?
Scotch bonnet.
Scotch bonnet. Okay, wow. That looks amazing. Okay. And you got it over charcoal. Nice, thank you. What are those? They're like steamed Afghan dumpling? Oh. Nice. What do you call them?
Mantu.
Mantus.
Mantu, yeah.
Mantus. Oh, cool. There you go, Mantu dumplings. Award winning. Queens is the most diverse neighborhood, borough, place in America. Singapore, Bangladesh, looks like Korea, Malaysia, Peru. You've got it all. You got fried ice cream over there. You got some Antigua, Caribbean, and you have music. Lots and lots of music and beer and wine. Okay, let's try some Antiguan and Barbadian food. What do you recommend? I've never had Antiguan or Barbadian food.
Tuna and saltfish.
Okay, let's do it.
Pasta.
One fresh. What is in it? What is in it?
Sweet potatoes and coconuts.
And codfish.
And catfish.
Okay, perfect. And are you from Antigua or Barbuda?
Antigua.
Okay. Are they two different islands?
Different islands.
Okay, perfect.
1, 2, 3.
And this is some hot sauce.
Yes, we have hot. That's the mango sauce and this is the hot sauce.
Can you put hot sauce on it? Yes.
This one is yours. That is mine. The mango. This is yours. You want a mango? Or you're getting that?
Okay.
I'll take it. You want a mango? Yeah. And you want the same thing?
Yeah, but with hot sauce, please. Of course, hot sauce. What's in the hot sauce? Scotch bonnet? That chili? She has the secrets. What's in the hot sauce? The Scotch bonnet?
Scotch bonnet, yes.
Okay. You got the secret recipe. Oh yes, look at that. Perfect. Thank you. Yuca and codfish, I think he said, or sweet potato and codfish ball. I'm assuming that's salted codfish. Looks awesome. Smothered in hot sauce. Take a bite.
Is it raw meat?
No, it's a critter from the Antigua guy. I think it's good. So what do? You fry the spam?
Yeah, we're frying the spam right now.
Okay.
And then we put it in a container. We actually make the spam musubi on this side.
Okay, and then you roll it, I see.
Yeah.
Let's go over there.
Kim!
And then you put it into a seafood roll.
Thank
Oh,
you.
Careful, it's hot, okay?
Okay, thanks.
We have a spicy mayo Hawaiian barbecue sauce.
Okay,
and that
thank
one's
you.
deep fried. Wow. Okay, so, oh, I see. So this is, you have the normal roll and then you have the deep fried version.
Correct.
What do you call it? Spam musubi. And it's from Hawaii?
It's a Hawaiian delicacy.
Very cool, thank you. There you go, trendy spam. I came to check out the pancakes.
Oh.
What do you call these in Venezuela?
We call these cachapas.
Cachapas. Oh, it says there. Cachapas. It says there. There you go. So it's a corn pancake.
It's a corn pancake, it's sweet, and then it's made out of bits of corn. And then we also serve it with fillings of either cheese by itself.
Oh wow!
Cheese,
So beef or cheese?
beef, chicken, or cheese.
Oh my gosh, it
And then
looks
we have
amazing.
two types of sauces. We have the garlic sauce. And
Yeah.
we have the avocado cilantro sauce, which is a Venezuelan sauce. It's called wasacaca.
Wow!
And yeah.
And which area of Venezuela is it from?
Well, they have it all over the country, but they are specifically from Caracas.
Caracas, the capital. Okay, cool. Thank you. These look amazing. Okay, your favorite. Your favorite.